Alright, YouTube land, here comes the next video. So, you can see here I'm recording from my dash cam. This was a little project I did today. Now, my buddy in the red car, he has what I call the warehouse of broken dreams. And when you see it, you'll understand why. His property, my white ass legs, his property is a car guy's playground, and everything he has in there is pretty much for sale. Yeah, it was a gorgeous day. It was real warmer than I wanted, and the fucking locusts in the ground just would not fuck off. So, yeah, it was an interesting day. Now, we're gonna start rolling a minute here. Now, buddy, he's fighting cancer. He's trying to get all the stuff out of there, make some money, help pay for some stuff he's taking care of. But as you can tell, this is like out in the boondocks in Virginia. I'm not gonna say where, but it's out there. And thank God for my old Tahoe. You can probably see some of the bugs flying in the screen right now. Now, we're coming up on the property now, and see, there is a power line, but there's no power to this property. Let's see, we should be passing our first, there it is, our first little landmark. A trailer, another trailer, and two boats. Now, that's just an appetizer of what's about to come ahead. Now, look in the distance, you'll see what appears to be some more junk, but hold your horses. Get right through another trailer. Once he starts turning, bam, and my Thunderbirds to the left, and yeah. Get a picture of that in there? Come on. Here we go. Those are two old Pontiacs. He's also selling those, but he's got a lot of parts. So here we are, the warehouse of broken dreams. This old place has it's not that old, but they didn't build it right. My buddy got screwed over by the contractors, and this old garage has just fallen apart. Now we jump here, where I'm trying to adjust everything. Pick up my next project. This one might not last long, because it might be traded off for a very rare boat. Yeah, we get a boat. I'm an idiot, but I want this thing, and I'm not gonna let go. Come on, let's see. Let's see, come on, roll on in. It's dark now, you can't see shit, but give a minute. By the way, there are photos in this thing, so in a minute after we pull in, you'll get your first visual of what's inside. Light adjusts, and you can see it's full. It's fucking full. He has so many cars in this place. Here we go. Jump over. Here we go. That Cadillac's gone now, and that front end, he's still that one, but that's a 1937 Chevy two-door. He's got piles of racing wheels, Krager's and things like that. There's another shot at that Chevy front end. And his shelving, well, there you go. Everything you could ever want in the sun, right there. Now, I guess which one we're coming in there for today. I'm not going to say which, because you'll see in the video. At that point I'll reveal it. This is more like a little teaser of what I've had to do to get this thing out of here, because it was a bitch, because my dumbass left the keys for his car at home, and it's not our way. You know, we're going to speed up through this stuff. Now, once we start moving, like right here, you can see, one thing, it's a beautiful fucking field. You have to admit that. I tried to get in there, tried to adjust, and I said, you know what, we're going to back up, because we're going to do some hunky shit. Now, we had to do this regardless because of how tight this one car is. But it was a lot of me backing up and going. You can see the timer is jumping around. That's actual time, by the way. The actual time of when this is all happening. Come on, jump over to the rear camera. I love my dash cam, by the way. And buddy John there. He's fighting cancer and he's got back problems galore. So that's a interesting Chevy right there, by the way, to the right side. He put a 90s Caprice engine inside it. He raced it for a while, and then he kind of left it there. Thieves got to it, and he started gutting it. By the way, locusts and flies I hear are atrocious. I got bitten, my legs are still bitten. I should not have worn shorts. I regret everything. I should not have worn fucking sandals. I regret even more things. Yep, sandals. I'm a dumbass. Well, I used to do it in the Middle East, so my dumbass just went on doing it. Now, everyone's wondering, if I got bogged down at all, I should know. Although this area doesn't become marshland during the spring, it was actually very solid for this little ordeal. Now, some photos unfortunately did get lost here. My camera started heating up and kind of just like dropped the images. Now, let's probably sped this up. Whatever. Let's see, that should be close enough. Get my toe strap. That toe strap has seen so much fucking action, it's scary. That thing has towed everything from Alfa Romeos and Mercedes-Benz. Oh, here we go. That's the lost footage right there. But we pulled this thing out from its tomb in the back there. That Cadillac right next to John there, that thing ain't gonna move for a while. It's covered up by engines and everything else. But look at how we pulled this son of a bitch out. Now this is pretty well done. So, if you notice so how did we get this thing out of here? Originally we had it around that one tire there, and you can see it probably tapped something. Nope, I stopped in time. And we just yanked the son of a bitch. Now we have a neutral, thank goodness for that. And we had to keep on stopping and pushing it back, resetting it. And it's slowly but surely gave up the ghost. Now let me tell you, this is a 88 Mustang GT convertible. Now the unique thing about this damn thing is the mileage. 31,000. That's it. Just 31,000 miles for a Mustang GT convertible. You see we pushed it back here. My car didn't want to leave running inside the warehouse because, well, carbon dioxide, the hill's not good on my gas. And, yeah. Here we go. No, it's not. Torque. And for the wise turning, not just keep on going straight, we do have some of the junk parts. Like you see right in the back left tire. That's a that's a generator of a fucking Cougar. The old 60s Cougar that he just had laying in there. That's literally how much parts he has. He has like parts for 40s car, 50s car, every kind of car you can think of in there. And it's funny. Now, John should not lift from that chair. I didn't notice it. I would have stopped and gone back to myself, but it is what it is. So, we're still here till, I'm surprised I didn't have this thing sped up here. I could have sworn that everything sped up 3 times speed. Oh, 8 times speed. Oh, whatever. My jack, there I am. Again, my dumbass wearing sandals. Can you type? Oh god, my back is just sweat galore. Actually shows how hot it was. Not about Middle East, but still pretty damn hot. But here I am checking it out. And pulling back the I think my fucking bed is like a black spot on the camera. There's his jack. That thing is ancient. What's that damn white spot on my back? Is that like a pool of sweat or what? I don't even know. Now what I'm doing here, prepping up a, what's this thing, a message? Myself. Just putting stuff behind the back driver wheel, back driver's side rear wheel, to stop it from spinning as freely. You give it resistance, so the car is going to spin with it. Now I know we're dragging it, I know the tires are going to be bad for it, but the tires are already shot. This thing has been parked for 9 years in this warehouse. 9 years. Has not seen the light of day. And the funniest thing, I was joking with John about this. My Tahoe, because I drove in there and turned it off, it's probably the only car in the last 12 years to drive in and drive out on its own power. Now, let's see. I think we hit something here. But no damage to the Mustang. It's already, excuse me. It's already pretty salty. Yeah, that damn toe strap. It is. See, yell at me a minute here. After it starts getting a little, yep, I stopped there. Oh, if you're wondering why the lines are not shown like it did earlier, I opened the back glass because easier to hear. But my car got flooded with every kind of locust on the man. You can see them there flying. They're pissed off at me for messing up their little hives. Showing them the dash cam. And the, I thought a Mickey Mouse symbol because of my fucking fat tits. Hello! Is buying the cooler I was having there. I traded a Xerox color printer. Color laser printer for $200, and a very, very nice cold cooler from the 90s, those big old steel ones. This is where me and John, John had the idea to put that strap around the pole. Woo! Damn, I'm tired. And I have no idea why. Well, I know why. It's fucking 10 and I spent the day doing this. Let's see. He's telling me something here. Why isn't I supposed to speed this one part up? I'm not going to speed up now because it's already going through this. This is already being compiled. But my computer upstairs wouldn't, apparently it's 9 o'clock. But, what was I saying? Shit. Yeah, okay, here we go. Now I finally set things up. Damn. I don't know why I didn't spell the one part. I guess I just missed it. It's all off my dash cam. My dash cam does about 15 minutes and then stops and goes for a new recording, which is very helpful. And here we go. Now watch what happens to the poor shack here. Sorry, warehouse of broken dreams. Oh! Now goes to the side there, it's all fucking termite damage, so that was why I closed it. I actually questioned myself there a few times, why did I close that? Because it made life a lot easier to talk to him that way. And I opened up again. There we go. Mustang did move a little bit, so that's good. We keep on resetting it. Putting towage on there. Eventually, bam, we got it right where we want it. Well, just about. We pull up another. No, that was it. But yeah, show some photos in there. There we go. There's the photos. There's the really dirty how we pulled it the first time. And it's been there, like I said, for about 9 years. I'm gonna say 10 because let's see what the title here says. We took the wrong size color back in, let's get a few pieces, and it's got a nice hole in the top there, but most part it's all there. And well, not all there. There's still some jackass, still the gas tank, and still the radiator. So I'm kind of pissed about that. Gotta go down to pick and pull and get some parts tomorrow. But you know how it goes. Either bitch about it, or I can just move on and get the parts I need. We're going to pull. Someone put a shotgun to his poor baby right there. Trying to get in. Thinking at the end of that time, we kind of blocked them all off there. There we go. I don't know why I put those part in there, but Yeah, one last view of the Warehouse of Broken Dreams. It's closed up and locked up. Right this time I'm taking the piss around back. And again, there's no plumbing, just the old warehouse over at the front end of the camera. And I'm probably borrowing one of his long lost trailers here. That's what I'm talking about there. Nice little three-way brake system. Yeah, nice little tow rate. Replaced the one I currently have, which is nice. Well, we will see. Meanwhile, tomorrow, I'm going to pick up another Mustang. One last view, but I left this part here for one main reason. There's a little save I have here. Because, it's not in Virginia. You see I'm being attacked by every kind of bug here. I'm dancing around, fucking gnats and locusts and every kind of asshole out there. I save a lot of the creatures I find on the road. And I will stop the car, know the road, move to whatever creature it is. In this case, it was a snapping turtle. And you know what? Let me stop the recording here. I'll try and put that in. Not yet. Once we get to the end, I'll show you the snapping turtle. I put a nice little photo with him. With my real ass likes to save creatures in the road. Let's see. Phone. Gallery. What took me so long here? If you're wondering, I need to keep it out. Well, yeah, it's not going to. But it's best that John has right now. So, guess what else I know? Oh yeah, and the rain started coming in. And see, you'll see me slow down. Oh, that wasn't it. I hit the brakes right about here, and you see the little bastard right there. So, 1 second, you'll see me get out of the car. This is a two-lane close road, but one lane each way road. This time with a little snapping turtles. I'm still getting attacked by bugs. And of course, my ass takes a photo of every creature I save. And here he is, little turtle here, little snapping turtle. He was not very happy to be picked up, but got get out of the road, so there he is, in all his glory. Now at this point, I'm about to put on the road there. I'm trying to take a photo. Click. Yeah, you see the two photos I took there. And I had to bite a bottle before I left, and then there was a car on the road, so I had to hop back in and start rolling. Amen now. But for those viewers who decided to stick around to the very end, I thank you for that. And as a reward, amen now, you'll see a very, very beautiful view of the area around the the Warehouse of Broken Dreams. And there you are. You gotta admit, it is very damn peaceful out there. And it was a gorgeous day too. Seriously. Again, thanks for watching, and have a wonderful night.